2020 Bowman Draft Sapphire 5-box, random team number 4. The dice say 3 times. 3 times a lady. 1, 2, 3 on the dice. Contestants 1, 2, 3 times on the dice. 3, 3, 3. All right, that's in order. Good luck, everybody. Five boxes of Bowman Draft Sapphire. Sure, we'll see if we have enough space in there. These we're done with for now. And these we're gonna need. I haven't opened any of this for a minute. This is good stuff. Backer put this on sale. We only have 9 boxes of it left. Probably one extra one in Instagram that we can steal. If I had to guess, there's probably one lurking around. Hopefully, just so we could do 2 more of these. But if not, then you guys can do 1 more, and then they'll do a 4-boxer of it. There's also 2 boxes of Update Delight right there. Just 2 random boxes on the shelf. Oh no, they're not in the store. All right. I guess we'll go box by box. I usually just try to get open it all, but bro, we might be BML. I'm gonna open it after the other 2 breaks, though. You know what? I'm gonna do what I always do. I'm just gonna open it all. Hopefully, sir. Hopefully, BBML. I know. It's true. I should probably just make the magic happen. I did forget about trying to hit a debut patch 3 weeks in a row. I was so focused on the gilded. Let it rot, he says. That is a good color. It's red. Got a red. Woo! Woo! $2018. There might have been in the past. No, 2018, the Shohei stuff? No. There's no 2018. There's, Here, we're just going to put all that stuff back there. There was 2019 and 2020. Alright, cool. We do all the base, and then we'll do the exciting stuff. Strider first. Nice. Who got the Braves? Smitty, let's go. No, because I feel like there's like too many things of these guys coming off the page. I feel like that you guys have tips and stuff. Bailey and Emerson, I'm scared. I'm scared of you guys being good guessers. I feel like you know things about this product that I don't know. You know what I mean? Like maybe you saw something on the side. Yeah, there's one full stack of colors we're going to do at the end. J-Dom. There's Hancock again on the first. Jordan Walker. Westberg. You guys scare me when it comes. Robert Hassel when it comes to the guessing. Because it just looked like it's like this. It's going to be like this. You know what I mean? It's like I'm hiding the card and like you see like this. It's going to be that guy. I'm guessing this guy. Kyle Nicholas. I hope I'm wrong. I'm probably wrong. I'm hoping I'm wrong. Volpe. CJ. Torque on the first. Nice. Who got Detroit? BJ. Let's go, BJ. Slade on the first. There's Duran. Garrett Mitchell first. We like him. Colt Keith first. We like him. Soderstrom. Reed Detmers. I like him. You guys don't like him. Austin Wells in the first. Hell yeah. Who was the Yankees? Oreos. It's what's for dinner. Tristan. Max Meyer first. We like him. There's Drew Romo. He's honestly not bad. Bobby Miller first. Wow, this is a good product. This Crochet first. This is low-key absolutely loaded. It was the White Sox. Gemmin 10. That was a great box right there. That was a sick box. Yeah, I don't have enough room. Casey Schmidt first. Burleson. PCA on the first for the Mets. Even though he's no longer a Met. Bobby Miller again. That's your second Bobby. Crochet again. These are really nice. I had no idea a lot of these names were in here. There's Clayton Beater. Patrick Bailey. Emerson Hancock again. Jay Walker again. Soderstrom again. There's my boy Reed Detmers. Kerstad. We know the collation. We're learning. We're quick learners. PCA. And who was after McMahon? Because he was the last one in the last handful or whatever. We don't know. We've never. This is uncharted territory. Sagassi. All right. Let me top load the hits. Everybody just relax. Take a deep breath. Good luck on the hits on the inside with the numbers. This is where it gets exciting, but I do have all these base cards to top load because I take good care of your guys' cards. So I'm sorry that you're going to have to wait an extra 60 seconds. Maybe 90, but it's worth it because you guys get gem intense when these little mittens pull cards out of packs for you. I'm not good at that many things, but I'm good at getting you guys the gem intense, honestly. No, sometimes it's good to go fast, but cards are definitely crispy. I mean, I like, you see, I just like throw out top loaders if they have little plastic pieces in them, because now I don't want your cards to get damaged. No. It's alright, we still have some Stadium Club and Icasa Hobby to hit. Some nice pieces. What's up, MGH? There he is. There he is. Strider here. Look at this. The first card we pulled was a Strider first Sapphire. Right? Let's see. We have a red in here, MGH. Maybe it's freaking Strider. I don't think so, because I feel like I saw something coming off the side. Maybe it was a foot. Who knows? All right, let's take a look. We got a red in this. You see? You see? There's like something on the side there. You see? What is that, a hand and a ball? I don't know. Let's find out, though. We got all the spicy color. We'll save the red for last. Here we go. It's hits after hits now. Here we go. Corey Lee to 50 for Houston. Corey Lee. Adley, nice, to 20. Adley to 20 on the Aqua for Baltimore. Mississippi, let's go. That's a nice piece. Adley out of the 2020 Bowman draft. Very nice card. We continue. Justin Lang. That's to 15. Yeesh. Is that gold? To 15? For the Padres. And then Joey Cantillo, Aqua to 20 for the Guards. Lodolo. ZD. Yellow. Trent Palmer. That's to 99 for the Blue Jays. And then a gold. This should be to 15. It is. Adam Seminaris for the Angels. All right, back to the regular stuff for just a second. Aqua to 20 of Xavier Edwards. Not bad for the Rays. Bob, we like Xavier. He's a solid player. And then Jason Dominguez to 99. Good names here, even if they're not first. We'll take it. Good names, even if they're not first. And now, let's show a green and then a red. The green is Owen Casey. Owen Casey for the Padres. That's to 99. There's Nick Gonzalez. Who's behind Hans? Can we get a team sweat here? Marlins? It's Jake. Oh, no way. Kyle Nichols. You knew it. You knew it. See, this is what I'm talking about. You knew it. See, people know the product. Brandon, how sharp are you? He knows. Brandon knows. Kyle Nichols, he knew the you knew the hand. See, that's what I'm saying. People know. All they have to see. All they have to see is that, and they know. How good are you, Brandon? You're sick. I hope you just impressed your son. There's no way he's awake right now. That was impressive. Brandon. Brandon. I salute you. That was impressive as shit. I don't even think Hawk could have done that. I don't. Where's Billy? I don't think Billy could have done that either. Clearly you did, Brandon. I feel like I wasn't. I almost said to you, Brandon, we're not doing the guess for any money, but if you hit, you'll get $0. I'm glad I didn't say that because it would have made me feel like a dickhead. I feel like I should put $16 in your account. I'm putting $16 in your account. It's my favorite number. You just shocked me. Like freaking David Blaine in a parking lot doing a magic trick, okay? I'm putting $16 on your account. That was impressive. Recap. He is a savage, Tatum. Strider on the first there. Some nice base Sapphire first. This was a pretty good 5 boxes. Nothing crazy in terms of the color on the first. No rookies or color on the first, but we did hit some good names. Look at these names. Dominguez. Adley, Xavier Edwards, just good names. And then Kyle Nichols, Brandon J over there was foreseeing the future. To 5 on the red first of his Sapphire. Very impressive. $16 imaginary guess. 2020 Bowman Draft Sapphire, 5 boxes, random team number 4. Thank you guys for joining. I think Stadium Club is going to be next, and then we'll do the update hobby, which are both full. Thank you.